Welcome to the 21st Ryan International Children's Festival.
This festival brings together around 12,000 students from India and performers from around 15 countries.
Celebrating the Ryan Group's 50-year Golden Jubilee, the week-long festival culminated in Global Carnival that highlighted culture, creativity and friendship.
We students showcased our talent through dance, music, theatre, visual arts and cultural exchange.
Here are the glimpses of this grand event.
We got to witness some amazing performances by our international dance group.
Here is what our eminent guests had to share about the grand event.
Ryan believes in holistic development. What is your feedback about the festival?
Your festival is really great. For me, it's the first time in India, and I'm so surprised. And we are so full with emotions. It's a big experience for us. We are very, very thankful.
I like it very much. It's full with joy and excitement, and I love kids and youngsters.
Thank you for opportunity. Our students enjoy the festival a lot.
Lovely to see all the different cultures and share our art, and it's also the connections we make. It's wonderful.
It's a unique experience. I'm very happy and glad to be there.
So many different traditional dances around the world and very talented children.
A lot of wonderful paintings that I see in a very short time.
That was a great experience for me. I'm really amazed how talented your kids are. I was not expecting this amount of talent from you. Well done, you did great.
It's really nice. It's really nice to see all these happy children, and they are so enthusiastic. They're really liking it to be here.
Ryan did was to get the involvement of the children into the festival. They own the festival, they are moving around and everything. And I like the way that all schools are incorporated, and even the internationals that came, it's well balanced and it's well organized, and that's something that I really appreciate.
Ryanites are doing very well, and not only studies, extra activities as well.
It's an amazing event, I'll give you that. It's been so great from the time I actually came in. It's my first trip ever to come to India, and the reception has been beautiful. The artistry that the kids are actually showing is immaculate. I am loving every single moment of it, and I just want to have more fun and hopefully come every single year that you have this event.
Vibrant events included group folk dance, solo dances, duet storytelling, newspaper dressing, puppet making, hand painting, solo instrumental performances, graffiti making, and mixed media.
मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था वो लेवल का कंपटीशन यहाँ पर हुआ. It was like duet competition, and सब students were in sync and very energetic, and it was a great experience for me as well as for judging this competition, and I love the competition level in Ryan International.
This festival is really amazing. I felt really beautiful. The students are completely in colorful attire. So all the very best Ryanites.
School competition gives them the energy for taking dance seriously, and I'm really enjoying it.
Small kids are performing very well with the confidence. I really thankful to the Ryan culture first of all, because Ryan is always giving the good platform to the performers.
I'm really enjoying the students are performing very well, and some of them are really exceptional.
It is a great platform for the young artists, the students.
I have been looking at so many different students from different countries, and they look so excited, so happy, and they all are getting motivated from each other. They are learning from each other, and I think the whole idea of this competition is to get inspired, go back home, practice more, learn more, and spread love.
The performances were very nice. It was colorful. All the children were so active. They were so enthusiastic. They were cheering for others. So it was a very good experience.
This event was organized so well, and the children are so enthusiastic. They are so participative. I really enjoyed being here, and I'm so thankful I was invited and learning so much and taking so much from here.
The event culminated in a memorable t-shirt ceremony where we students joyfully inscribed heartfelt messages on one another's white t-shirts.
I think the event has been organized beautifully. What is really special is the life skills that kids are learning through these kind of platforms. So it's lovely. I think every child has their unique talent that they're carrying forward, and it's amazing to see how this platform really brings their real self. So good luck to Ryan, and may they keep doing such great work in future as well.
Everyone was so good, and the costumes, the expressions, I loved everything.
Ryanite will cherish and celebrate the friendships that were made during the festival.
A heartfelt congratulations to all the winners and to every participant. You all embody Ryan values of excellence and perseverance.
We would like to thank Chairman Sir and Managing Director Madam for providing us with a platform where our talents are celebrated. On that note, this is YJ Myra
and this is YJ Hana signing off for Young Journals on Ryan TV.